Good morning. Today we are going to learn about number system. Number system defines a set of values used to represent a quantity. In this chapter, we will learn about Indian number system with the help of Indian place value chart and international number system with the help of international place value chart. First, let us come to Indian place value chart. Here is the Indian place value chart. Start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Here are some properties of place value chart. We read it from left to right. We read it from left to right. That means if a number is given, we read it from left to right. It has been separated into groups, and those groups are ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. We separate them by putting commas. Place value of 0 is always 0. How? We learn it in the exercise of this chapter. Question number 1. Put commas according to Indian place value chart. Here the number is given 6291114. So we have to put commas according to the place value chart, Indian place value chart, and as we know, we put commas according to the groups, and those groups are ones, which include ones, tens and hundreds. Put comma, separate it. Then thousands, 10,000s, again we'll put comma and separate it. Then lakhs. So the number is 6,29,114. Next number. Starting from ones, tens, hundreds, put comma, first group is over. Then thousands, 10,000s, put comma, second group is over. Then lakhs, 10 lakhs, third group is over. And finally the last group, crores, 10 crores. So the number is 44 crores, 44 lakh, 44,444. Question number 2. Write number names. As we know how to put commas now, starting from the first group, we have separated them in a group, and there are two groups. One is ones and this one is thousands. So 92,634 is the number. Here again we have separated them into groups, ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So the number is 21 crores, 62 lakhs, 43,932. Question number 3. Dash is the largest 6-digit number. As we know, 9 is the largest 1-digit number. So largest 6-digit number will be let us separate them by putting commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, comma. So which is the largest 6-digit number? 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. There are dash periods in Indian number system. How many periods are there? 4. Place value of dash is always same, 0. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. To find its place value, we need to multiply the given number by its place, that is 10,000. So 4 multiplied by 10,000 is equals to 40,000. Therefore the place value of 4 in 6,42,931 is 40,000. Same is with second one. Place value of 8 in 18 crores 63 lakh 41,996. It is at which place? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So place value of 8 is 8 multiplied by 1 crore, that is equals to 8 crores. Question number 5. Write place value of each number. That means we have to write the place value of each and every number given here. So place value of each number in 46 crores 9 lakhs 83,571 is, place value of 1 is 1 multiplied by 1, then 7 multiplied by 10, then 5 multiplied by 100, 3 multiplied by 1000, 8 multiplied by 10,000, 9 multiplied by 1 lakh, 0 multiplied by 10 lakh, 6 multiplied by 1 crores, 4 multiplied by 10 crores. So here is the place value of each and every number. Place value of 0 is 0 because if we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0. So place value of 0 is always 0. Now let us come to the new concept, that is face value. Face value of a number is the number itself irrespective of its place value. Whatever the place value is, the face value will always be the same, that is the number itself. Write face value of 6 in 3621. As we know that the place value of 6 here is 600, but the face value will be 6 only. Question number 2. Face value of 4. As we know the number is 4298, but the face value will be the number itself. And same with all the numbers. Now let us see this example. Place value and face value of 0 is the same because face value will be the number itself, that is 0, and place value will also be 0. How? Because if we multiply any number by 0, the product is always 0.